Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I know it doesn't seem like it. Well, probably it has, because girl, the videos have been scarce. But I have been traveling quite a bit, and I just wanted to come back, touch base with you all about some of the fragrances I have been rocking and wearing. So you all know I did a Zara haul not too long ago, and I said I was going to take this with me on my trips to see what I think. And honey, I have some thoughts. So if you're interested in hearing some of my thoughts, and I got an honorable mention that I also want to talk about. You want to hear all of that and more? Just keep watching. First, I want to talk about a fragrance from Zara that I was influenced to buy, to purchase. And if, again, you've seen my video, you know what I'm about to talk about, which is Fields at Nightfall. And I was influenced by Aaliyah J. She's on YouTube, she's on Instagram, all the different social platforms. But she kept talking about this is her signature scent and that she loves this down. And I was like, okay, girl, what you talking about? Let me try, okay? So I did. I purchased this, and I want to say, if my memory serves me right, I want to say this was like $29, something around there, like $30. Honey, as you can see, do I really need to talk much? I love it. Honey, I love this thing. Okay, and I can see why this is her signature scent. This is beautiful. But you know what? I was like, this reminds me of something that I have. And I understood the addiction to this. I kept spraying this, okay? I sprayed this with everything, okay? Everything I wore, this was like my base. So she's right. Like, this can be your base. This can be like, it could stand alone. But again, something kept bugging me. And I was like, what is this? I know this smell. What is this? Honey, this is Reserve Skin. Okay, clean Reserve. Honey, it is like, they are sisters. Honey, call them twins. Like, this is what, like, this is. Like, if you have this is exactly what this is. Now, it's a fraction of the cost. I forgot what this is, but it definitely is. This is cheaper than this. Either way, it is basically like a musky floral, and it's almost like, I get why this is like nude, because it gives me that like nude essence. You know how like sometimes fragrances, like if you have a purple bottle, sometimes fragrances can smell like purple, like it can smell like a color. Honey, this smells like nude. It's musky, it's clean, it's fresh. It is so good. So ooh, baby, yes. So, if you are interested or like scents like Skin Clean Reserve, like very clean, very musky, nudie, very chic, and soft, right? Like it's chic but soft. Like it gives you style but soft. But again, if you are interested in that, I would highly recommend. To a point, yeah, I'm going to purchase this again. She right. This, I'm going to purchase again because I love me some Clean Reserve Skin. But if I can get it at a fraction of the cost, girl, who are you talking to? Somebody else that like really wants to spend $100 some odd dollars or $90 some odd dollars or $80 some odd dollars. Comparison to 30, girl. Not here and not on this channel. Girl, talk to somebody else. Because I do want to save a coin. I'm interested, okay? So if you are interested in getting Fields at Nightfall, I would highly recommend, honey. I would highly recommend you go to Zara, put it in your cart, and check out, honey. Next up, I talked about this down that I love this so much. Illusions, okay, from Zara. And this is the perfume. Now, as you can see, I did wear this, of course. Like, I do have a dent. But I do like this. Let me start. I do like this. Absolutely. I still feel the same way. It's giving me like a citrus baccarat, essentially. I do like this, but I did not reach for this as much. And not because I don't think I like, not because of the like or dislike, or I love this, right? I do. I really do. But I think it's just the event wise. I really didn't, like during my travels, I really didn't go to a lot of dress up things. I was chilling with my man. We were just having a good old time. So I really didn't go to like events, you know what I'm saying? And so if I were to go to like events, I would have probably reached for this more. So all that to say, if you are looking for a fragrance that is less expensive out in the streets, look no further. Like, this is a really good event, like a birthday party, a concert, you know, something like that. Something fun, something outside, probably even inside. Like, even if you were doing like a very bougie brunch, this would be good. Again, I think just because of my vacay, I really wasn't on that. I mean, I was actually also working, like, you know, so it wasn't really like, it was vacation, but not vacation, you know? No, you don't know. You like, girl, why was you working on vacation? That's not no vacation. I know, girl, I gotta get a coin. Honey, single mama, gotta get a coin. Anyway, I would have probably wore this more if, again, I was going to an event. But all to say, I would still recommend. If you like Baccarat 540, if you like that DNA, and you enjoy citrus, but not citrus as far as like, because y'all know how y'all sis is. I get real messed up about citrus. But like, not citrus as far as like cleaning products, citrus, or very lemon. Like, this is very warm. It's a warm citrus. So I would absolutely get your nose, get your coins. If you see it in Zara, I would pick this up. This is an actual great buy, great purchase. I would repurchase it. I just didn't wear it as much during this season. Next up, I have the Zara Trio. And if you all want to know my initial thoughts, go back on that video, go back in the timeline. And yeah, you can get my original thoughts. But the trio, this is the trio. I was so excited because I had a really good Zara haul. I was very excited. Still excited. So let's discuss. So Marshmallow Glow, love. If you like a good raspberry gourmand, now again, this is the foodie gourmand. So I know there's girlies out there, and I'm not rolling my eyes because you out there. I'm lying. Girl, I just like this. Girl, what's the problem?
Something is wrong with you.
But if you like a foodie gourmand type of scent, that should roll her eyes. I know, girl. Marshmallow Glow was really good. Okay, so again, it's like a raspberry whippy type of fragrance. Loved it. As you can see, yeah, I loved it, girl. It gonna be gone. Another love is this coconut jasmine sugar. Now, I would say, I mean, none of these really last. Like, oh, let's go back to that. Like, none of these last like a long time. But for a base, these were really good. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it in the house. If you work from home, this is a really good quick grab and go type of thing. Anyway, coconut, it did smell like a coconut sugar, like a sweet coconut. Loved it, but it didn't lean on that like foodie gourmand heavy because of the floral, the white floral in this. So good, so good. The name speaks for itself. It's amazing. I would highly recommend if you like coconut. Now, you do have to like coconut. If you don't like coconut, you ain't gonna like it. And then, now this, is it coca or cacao? Girl, I don't know. Anyway, this one, now, I like it. So let's start there, okay? I like it, but I think I'm in the wrong season for this one, okay? Because it was definitely chocolate, okay? very chocolate powdered chocolate. And so I think because of the hot heat and the chocolate, I just was given milk chocolate bar. And I don't mind a good old milk chocolate bar, but it just wasn't vibing with the weather. I'll just essentially say that, right? It wasn't vibing with the weather. So I think I'm going to wait until the fall to kind of revisit this. I think this is like a fall girl. But again, I do like it. I think it was just throwing me off because of the season, and that's that. Okay? Because again, I wear foodie gourmands, and even chocolate scents. We'll get into it. This just kind of threw me off a little bit. It's okay. But I would recommend maybe in the fall or winter, then you pick this up. Next up, there was a couple of affordable things that I just quickly picked up during my travel. Another Zara. This was Woman in White. Now, my girls, Woman in White, if you are in it, this is not everybody. This is not going to be for everybody, okay? But my girlies that are like maybe Bath and Body Works girlies, if you know the scent of white t-shirt, and if you like white t-shirt, this is white t-shirt. This is very laundry day powder laundry scent. Very clean. Clean laundry powder scent. Again, this is not going to be for everyone, but to me, it does not play on this powder cheap. There is a powder cheap sometimes in like very affordable fragrances that like can give you like this, girl, no, okay? This is not that. It is a clean powder, I don't want to say regal, that's what's coming in my head, but very upscale powder. I just can't, like, that's all I got for y'all. Like upscale powder, clean laundry scent. Again, this is not going to be for everyone, but absolutely, I love it. I adore this. This is very good, like just fresh. When I just want to smell fresh and clean, like I just got out, like, I mean, I do smell good. Like I got out of the shower. Anyway, you know, I showered out. Anyway, I'm just saying, like those days there, you don't want to wear this like heavy, very loud fragrance, and you want something like effortless, something easy, like easy for the day. This is so good. Okay, again, clean. Think white t-shirt. If you know what Bath and Body Works white t-shirt smells like, very laundry day clean powdery scent. So either way, girl, it was good. It's good to me. It's still good. Oh my gosh, I think actually I'm gonna wear that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear that today because I think I want to be like fresh. I don't want to be overdoing it. I think I just want to be chill. Yeah, that's gonna do my chill vibes today. Whatever that is. And last but certainly not least, okay, I went in Bath and Body Works. I have not been to Bath and Body Works in so long. So they were having their semi-annual sale and I got to experience. Now, I have so many body washes, body butters, body lotions, body cream, and I also have like body sprays, a whole bunch of them, right? And so I have really tried to stay out of Bath and Body Works. No shade, I do love Bath and Body Works. I just got so many things and so much product in my abode that, girl, it just doesn't make sense. I don't have any room, okay? I don't have no more room. So it just doesn't make sense. But I could not help myself to get this. And this is, again, not going to be everybody's jam. I get it. I got it. Good. But when I tell you, I want to find a fragrance that smells like this. Like one that sticks on my body. Okay? And that's the Neapolitan ice cream. I know, girl. I know, girl. But hear me out. It has strawberry sauce, vanilla, buttercream, and milk chocolate. I know we just talked about chocolate, right? But when I say I'm so in love with this, I don't know. I'm so in love with smelling like this. And it literally smells like strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate all together. I want to find a fragrance. If you know a fragrance or you can suggest a fragrance that smells like Neapolitan that would last a little bit longer, put it in the comments, okay? Let me know. Is there a fragrance out there that smells like that? I want this. I need this in a fragrance form. Girl, I like this. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted to this that I got the body cream. Now, I don't really get body creams. Like, I used to. But, like, to get no. Girl, I've been using it. Girl, yeah, the addiction's real. I love smelling like this. Not for everyone, but I love smelling like this. This is so, like, up my alley gourmand. Like, this is the only fragrance option that I purchased with the body cream. I didn't get anything else, just this. But Neapolitan, if it come back, girl, I almost got a backup. But I was like, girl, team too much. Team too much. You ain't using the others. Team too much. No. One. Uno. You shouldn't even be getting that anyway. Yeah, that's the pep talk I had to myself. I talked to myself a little crazy, but it's okay. So if you're into it, you might not be, and it's totally fine. But if you are Neapolitan ice cream girl, get it. If you are a gourmand girl like me, you don't mind smelling like food and actual like foodie gourmand, girl, go ahead. Go help yourself, and hopefully this is out. This might not be out, like semi-annual, so might be gone. But there is another one I know that comes towards the Christmas season, so pick it up then. If they have it. Oh, girl. Just get it. It's good. It is good, okay? Well, that's all. That's all, fam, for my random catch up or talk or catching up with the fragrances. I don't know. Let me know what you have been testing and trying. Are there some like random things that you have picked up that you have been like, ooh, I like it. Ooh, I don't. Ooh, I did good. Ooh, I didn't. Let me know some of the fragrances that you have been wearing or you have been loving, experiencing, or maybe some things that didn't work out for you. I want to know that too, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, of course. And make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some, yeah, you said it, grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah. Your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.